Welcome to Print Matters, a Level 2 design studio at CEPT University, led by Rishabh Jain and Stuti Dalal, and assisted by Bhaumik Suthar. This studio reimagines publication design as a rich, interdisciplinary practice, a means of storytelling, cultural reflection, critical thinking, and material exploration through the lens of editorial design.
This semester, students embarked on a journey that fused food, memory, culture, and design, all unfolding through the central theme, food and food cultures. We extend our sincere gratitude to Rohan and Isha from Foodaholics in Ahmedabad for their collaboration and support throughout the studio. We were also joined by food ambassadors, individuals whose work, research, and practices revolve around food. These ambassadors contributed valuable stories, content, and perspectives that shaped the students' research and design directions.
The semester was structured in 5 key phases. Weeks 1 to 3 focused on analog printmaking techniques, helping students understand production as a conceptual starting point, not an afterthought. Through cyanotype, woodcut, and serigraphy, they explored the relationship between material, process, and meaning.
Weeks 4 to 5 introduced students to the fundamentals of typography and grid systems. By deconstructing existing publications, students learned how consistency, rhythm, and disruption shape the reading experience.
Weeks 6 to 8 deepened this knowledge through visits to print presses and paper houses, where students engaged with the production ecosystem. During this phase, they also worked on a mini project to apply their learnings practically.
Weeks 9 to 10 centered on developing design briefs, conducting research, meetings with food ambassadors, and analyzing manuscripts provided by them. This phase concluded with the mid-semester jury, where students shared their vision and direction.
Weeks 11 to 16 were dedicated to final project development. Students charted their own creative pathways, designing their publications from content architecture to visual systems, from paper selection to print-ready outputs. During this period, students had various inputs on editorial design by renowned design practitioners. In the final leg of the journey, students created their own design pathways in collaboration with their food ambassadors. From layout design to asset preparation, from visual systems to production specs, students engaged in a rigorous, iterative process of designing and redesigning their publications. With minimal instruction and maximum freedom, they crafted their own workflows, defined their own milestones, and established personalized design systems. They learned to make and break the rules, crafting internal logics, developing consistent typographic systems, and understanding what makes a book feel like a whole. Workflows were student-led, peer reviews were frequent, and feedback sessions pushed each design forward.
Every decision, from folding to format, from paper stocks to binding and imposition, was informed by research, peer critique, and reflection, honing their judgment about what would best serve the tone and audience of their publications. But above all, this stage gave rise to rich, diverse design journeys, each responding to real-world narratives rooted in food culture. Through the final projects, each student explored
how to design a food pairing book that explores Indian cheeses and their complementary dishes, celebrating regional diversity through curated taste experiences.
How can a publication reveal the complex ecosystem behind fresh produce markets, exposing issues of adulteration, market economics, and supply chain practices that often go unseen?
Creating an encyclopedic guide to urban food foraging, mapping edible greens growing in overlooked corners of the city and reconnecting readers with hyper-local biodiversity.
How to narrate the journey of a small cafe that evolved into a cultural hub, documenting how food, music, poetry, and community practice converge to shape a shared space.
Documenting a collaborative, online cooking initiative led by a Facebook food group, capturing a summer of themed recipe exchanges, week by week, through a crowdsourced publication.
How might a magazine examine the gig economy through the lens of food delivery apps, surfacing the unseen challenges and lived experiences of the gig workers navigating digital foodscapes?
What if a coffee table book could tell the story of a legacy khaman shop, tracing its role in defining a city's culinary identity and cultural memory?
How to curate a sensory experience that pairs food and music in a vinyl cafe, designing a book that introduces meals and moods alongside analog records from a growing vinyl archive?
Print Matters is a studio of practice, play, and publication. It's where design becomes a lived process, grounded in craft, led by research, and driven by curiosity. Each book is more than a project, it's a personal journey into how we see, sense, and shape the printed world.